Hey everyone, today I'm talking about a printer that actually does what it's supposed to: no jams, no blurry labels, and no yelling at a machine that just ate your receipt paper. If you've ever stood in a warehouse or a back room trying to print shipping labels that look like they were made with a potato, you know the frustration. There's a printer that fixes all of that, and it's the Zebra ZT411. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. This isn't some flimsy desktop model you'd use for party invites. The ZT411 is built like a tank. It's got a 4-inch print width, which is perfect for shipping labels, barcode tags, and even small signs. The print resolution is 300 dpi, so your text and barcodes come out crisp, not that fuzzy stuff you get from cheaper printers that smudge when you so much as look at them wrong. And it prints fast too, around 12 inches per second, so you're not waiting around for a single label when you've got 100 orders to get out the door. What really sold me on this one is the connectivity. It's got serial, USB, Ethernet, and Bluetooth. That means you can plug it straight into your computer, hook it up to your network so everyone in the office can print to it, or even send labels from a tablet out on the floor without running a single cable. I've used Bluetooth printers before, and half the time they drop the connection or take forever to pair. This one pairs instantly and stays solid, which is exactly what you need when you're trying to scan a label and it suddenly vanishes from the queue. I've seen this printer handle everything from 2-inch by 1-inch address labels to 4-inch wide barcode tags for inventory. The ribbon system is straightforward, just pop in a new roll when it runs out, no fussing with weird cartridges or ink that dries out. And because it's thermal transfer, you don't have to worry about smudging when labels get handled or stacked. I've had labels printed on this thing sit in a box for weeks, pulled them out, and the barcode still scans perfectly on the first try. Another thing that's nice is the setup. Zebra includes a nice little stand that holds the printer at a good angle so you're not craning your neck to see what's printing. The control panel is simple, just a couple of buttons and a little screen that tells you exactly what's going on. No confusing menus, no waiting for it to boot up. You turn it on, and it's ready to go. I've also used this in a small retail shop where they print shelf labels and price tags. The Ethernet connection let them print from the counter and the back office without any lag. And when they had to update all the barcodes on a whole aisle of products, the speed made it happen in half the time it would have taken with their old printer. Now, I'll be honest, this isn't the cheapest printer out there. But if you're printing labels all day, every day, the time you save and the frustration you avoid make it worth it. The only real downside I've found is that it's a bit heavy, so if you're moving it around a lot, it's not super portable. And the ribbon rolls aren't the cheapest either, but they last a long time, so it evens out. If you're tired of printers that jam, smudge, or just plain don't work when you need them most, the Zebra ZT411 is the one to get. It's reliable, fast, and built to last. Check it out using the link below if you want to see the specs for yourself. For most buyers, the real question is not whether Zebra Technologies ZT411 Thermal Transfer Industrial Printer 300 dpi print width 4 inches features serial, USB, Ethernet, and Bluetooth connectivity. ZT41143T010000Z sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like print resolution and print width actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like Zebra Technologies ZT411 Thermal Transfer Industrial Printer 300 dpi print width 4 inches features serial, USB, Ethernet, and Bluetooth connectivity. ZT41143T010000Z usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.